So now let's see how we can work around with spell check feature inside of Google Sheets. So in order to work around with spell check feature, I'm going to go around over here and then I'm going to type in some words with incorrect spelling. So I'm just going to go around and type in computer right here. And then I'm going to type in something like wonderful right here. So I'm intentionally writing out the wrong spelling right here. And then I'm going to go around and then I'm going to type in, let's say, for example, Roberto Wiz right here, just like this, something like this. So let's assume that this is name, but these are incorrectly spelled out words. So what you can do is you can go around into tools right here, and then you can go to spelling, and then you can use the spell check option. And once you do the spell check, you can see that it detects out the word with incorrect spelling. And in this case, you can see that the computer is spelled out incorrectly and it detected that out. So I'm just going to change this out and you can see that it has been changed. And wonderful as well, I know that this is it. And if, let's say, for example, this is not something you want, then you can go around and change this out as well. So I'm just going to type in wonderfully, change it, and it'll change to that. So that is how it actually works, as you can see right here. So now you can see that the Google Sheet detected this as a complicated word, so it did not really show it. So if it is very, very complicated and then Google Sheet does not recognize that word, it's not like in Google Docs where it'll show it as an error, but it'll just leave that because it might be names and so forth. And that is how you can use the spell check option inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.